In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Perplexity AI to conduct a literature review. This process will guide you through exploring your topic, examining studies, comparing findings, identifying gaps, and drafting your review. By the end, you will have a structured approach to synthesizing literature relevant to your research area. Begin by navigating to the Perplexity AI platform. Once on the homepage, locate the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the screen. Here, type in your topic of interest and press the Enter key or click on the search icon. This initial searches will provide you with a range of sources and insights related to your. After the results populate, focus on understanding the main debates or trends within your chosen subject. You can do this by asking Perplexity AI, what are the main debates or trends in your topic? This inquiry will help you see the big picture and identify the key themes that are prevalent in the literature. Next, examine the individual studies that have been identified. For each source listed, you should ask, summarize the methodology, key findings, and limitations. Doing this for each study allows you to gather detailed insights about how each piece of research was conducted, what results were found, and any potential weaknesses in the studies. Pay attention to the responses provided by Perplexity AI, as they will help you build a comprehensive view of the existing literature. Once you have summarized the methodologies and findings, proceed to compare and analyze the studies. Pose the question, how do these studies agree or contradict each other? This step is crucial for spotting patterns, understanding the consensus or discrepancies in the research, and recognizing common gaps that may exist across the literature. This analysis will form the foundation of your understanding. Following your analysis, identify the gaps in the research. Ask Perplexity AI what areas are underexplored in these studies. This inquiry will highlight aspects that may require further investigation or that have not been sufficiently covered in existing literature, providing a clear direction for future research. Finally, with a thorough understanding of the topic, studies, and gaps in the literature, you can draft your review. Request Perplexity AI to create a literature review outline or draft based on these insights. This will generate a structured outline or draft that integrates the information you have gathered, facilitating the writing process for your literature review. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.